Our and finally story this week comes courtesy of one of our regular listeners, Jeff Brown at OC San in California. Jeff saw this story in the New York Times, covered by Alexander Nazarian. He thought it would make a good and finally. So, we're all familiar with the widely quoted but never yet proven theory that if you had an infinite amount of time and an infinite number of monkeys, each with a typewriter, then eventually, one of them would rewrite the works of Shakespeare. Now, this theory was first proposed in 1913 by a French mathematician, Émile Borel. Borel was a pioneer of probability theory, and over the subsequent decades, various scientists have tried to prove this theory. My personal favourite attempt was in 2003, when a team of enterprising British scientists put a computer into a monkey cage in Paignton Zoo. The outcome was 5 pages of text, primarily filled with the letter S. There is, however, a new development in this story. A recent paper by Stephen Woodcock, a mathematician at the University of Technology, Sydney, has concluded that there simply is not enough time until the universe expires for a defined number of hypothetical primates to produce, and I quote directly, a faithful reproduction of Curious George, let alone King Lear. Apparently, according to Dr. Woodcock, the chances of a monkey spelling out just one word, banana, clearly a word a monkey would want to spell, on a keyboard are approximately 1 in 22 billion. And I sense that approximately is doing quite a lot of the heavy lifting in that sentence. Now, why am I mentioning this here on the water action platform? Well, the idea for the recent work by Dr. Woodcock apparently came about during a lunchtime discussion about water usage with his colleague at the University of Technology, Sydney, Jay Filletta. Jay is a water usage researcher, and they were working on a project about water usage in washing machines. Quite how they got from that to monkeys is beyond me, but don't question it, go with it. Just be pleased that tonight you'll be quoting to your loved one over your end-of-day dinner that there is a 1 in 22 billion chance that a monkey could type the word banana if left alone with a typewriter. Whoever said that water research didn't produce interesting outcomes? With that, we come to the end of this month's broadcast. I thank again our sponsors shown here and wish you an excellent few weeks. The next broadcast will be on March the 20th at the usual times. Until then, keep asking questions, keep sharing, and keep safe.